You might have heard about these three concepts quite a bit: artificial intelligence, deep learning, and machine learning. Let's take a look at how these are connected. The first one is artificial intelligence. AI enables machine to think without any human intervention. Both deterministic and non-deterministic approaches are used to instruct machines. Next, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and that is actually how we teach or train robots to act or behave intelligently. The fundamental concept is to feed the machine a ton of data, let it discover correlations among the data, and then use those relationships to predict future outcomes based on previously unseen data. We will be learning more about this later on. There is a part of machine learning called deep learning. It's a method of training machines. It basically filters the data through multiple layers. We often begin with some kind of data, and from that data we hope to get an answer. And a machine learning model is how we accomplish it. Typically, data is entered into the model, and the model has some rules that it needs to follow in order to train data, and then outputs the desired results. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can be used in one of three main ways. Using pre-trained models is the initial step. The next is to reuse models that have already been pre-trained. Finally, you may create your own models from scratch. Some of the machine learning API that you must look into are the Vision API that lets you gain insights about your image using Google Cloud's pre-trained vision models. One of the features is detecting face models. Detecting different faces in an image along with the likelihood that each face has emotions like happy, sad, or angry. Vision API also makes it easy to detect landmarks and text logos. Another form of machine learning to look into is Natural Language API that helps you analyze text. You can detect entity words in the text, perform sentiment analysis, analyze syntax, and categorize the text based on its topics. It's time to work through the machine learning pipeline. There are three phases. These phases being data preparation, model training, and operating. The input is raw data. To prepare it for training, the raw data is typically cleansed and processed in some way. The processed data is then divided into training data and testing data. Our untrained model receives its input from the training data. The accuracy of the model's inference of rules from the training data is then evaluated against the test data. When the model has been trained, it is often sent to production. Real-time productions can then be made using the trained model.